A half-adder is a combinational logic circuit that performs the addition of two single binary bits. It produces a sum and a carry as its output. The half-adder is a fundamental building block in digital electronics, used for basic arithmetic operations. Let's explore the truth table for the half-adder. The truth table illustrates the relationship between the inputs, labeled as A and B, and the outputs, which are the sum, denoted by S, and the carry, denoted by C. When both inputs A and B are 0, the sum is 0 and the carry is 0. If A is 0 and B is 1, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. Conversely, if A is 1 and B is 0, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. Finally, when both A and B are 1, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. This truth table fully defines the behavior of a half-adder circuit. The behavior of a half-adder can be described using Boolean expressions. The sum output, denoted as S, is equivalent to a XOR B, where the XOR operation returns true or 1 if the inputs are different and false or 0 if the inputs are the same. The carry output, denoted as C, is equivalent to A and B, where the AND operation returns true or 1 only if both inputs are true or 1. Otherwise, it returns false or 0. These expressions mathematically define the half-adder's logic. To implement a half-adder circuit, we need two basic logic gates. First, we require an XOR gate. The XOR gate is used to produce the sum output. Second, we need an AND gate. The AND gate is used to produce the carry output. These two gates, when connected appropriately, form the half-adder circuit. This diagram illustrates the complete circuit for a half-adder. Input A is connected to both the XOR gate and the AND gate. Input B is also connected to both the XOR gate and the AND gate. The output of the XOR gate gives the sum, while the output of the AND gate gives the carry. This simple circuit effectively performs the addition of two single bits. Here's a simple Python implementation of a half-adder. The function half_adder takes two inputs, A and B. The sum output is calculated using the XOR operation, represented by the caret symbol. The carry output is calculated using the AND operation, represented by the ampersand symbol. The function then returns both the sum and carry outputs. This code provides a software-based representation of the half-adder's functionality. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.